Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim ajma'in. Dear viewers, today we discuss rule number 16 to 20 from the 40 rules of love written by Molana Rumi. He rahmatullahi ta'ala said in his 16 rule, real faith is the one inside, the rest simply washes off. There is only one type of dirt that cannot be cleansed with pure water, and that is the stain of hatred and bigotry contaminating the soul. You can purify your body through abstinence and fasting, but only love will purify your heart. The whole universe is contained within a single human being, you. Everything that you see around, including the things that you might not be fond of, and even the people you despise or abhor, is present within you in varying degrees. Therefore, don't look for Satan outside yourself either. The devil is not an extraordinary force that attacks from without. It's an ordinary force within. If you set to know yourself fully, facing with honesty and hardness. If you want to change the ways others treat you, you should first change the way you treat yourself, fully and sincerely. There is no way you can be loved. Once you achieve that stage, however, be thankful for every thorn that others might throw at you. It's a sign that you will soon be showered in roses. Fret not where the road will take you. Instead, concentrate on the first step. That is the hardest part, and that is what you are responsible for. Once you take that step, let everything do what it naturally does, and the rest will follow. Don't go with the flow, be the flow. We were all created in His image, and yet we were each created different and unique. No two people are alike, no hearts beat to the same rhythm. If God had wanted everyone to be the same, He would have made it so. Therefore, disrespecting differences and imposing your thoughts on others is an amount to disrespecting God's holy scheme.